Happy anniversary! Ah, Diyos ko pa Lord, third year ko pa lang sa SB19, pero never an event na hindi ako na-satisfy. Bago lahat, bago. We were so overwhelmed with all of the models. Lahat ng creations si Sir Francis are so great. And yung umakyat yung ano, na-surprise mo ako, nung umakyat yung ano, na pwede mo na siyang lakaran ng tao. Sana naglakad ako kanina. Ay, charot. Pero pinaka-favorite ko po sa lahat nung pinaka-last na part na when everyone is saying thanks and everyone is there. The support is there. The whole Aiden community and the fandom is there. I feel so much love sa community ng SB19 and the Aiden community. And I'm so grateful to be living with the same era as SB19!
My most favorite part is their solo act. Kasi actually, inabangan ko siya nung kick-off. Pero okay lang yun kung wala siya. Kasi sobrang sulit nung kick-off. And today, good thing din na binalik siya kasi nagkaroon ng parang hunger. Yung EP na magkaroon sila ng solo act. So, binigay nila yun tonight.
Mamili kasi lahat, grabe. Wala, hindi ko talaga alam kung paano magkasalita after palagi ng concert nila kasi ilang beses na rin ako nakapunta. Pero every time na nagpa-concert sila, laging may bago. Yun.
It's a hard question. Currently, I was so impressed by Francis Libion's designs. I mean, not to take anything away from SB19. I think for SB19, but in fact, I told my friend here that I wish we could export the whole show because aside from the songs, the talent of SB19, I wish the rest of the world could see Sir Francis' designs.
Mahirap, sabi po niya mahirap mamili. Pero siguro parang lahat. Kasi lahat na yung moment yun. For SB19 siguro nakaiba kasi siya ngayon. Bukod sa 360 yung lagi namin yung arena, naka-amaze na yung choreo nila. Well, same lang pero kasi paikot, so paikot din yung choreo nila lahat. Tapos yung lahat ng damit, ang sarap-sarap sa mata, lahat ng designs, pati yung mga models, mga dancers, and ayun, parang ang hirap mamili ng favorite kasi lahat nasa isip mo.
That's one number that stood out was Pablo's solo.
Yeah, Pablo Solo. Grabe, the message.
Oh my God, I think it's a combination of yung performances ko nila and yung pagiging fashion show nila. Kasi talaga nag-merge talaga yung pagiging fashion show tsaka yung pinaka-concert talaga nila na part. Lahat talaga parang nabigla ka sa talagang ginalingan nila. Huwag po kayo magsasabi. Create more music that transcends through the life that can also touch a lot of lives here. Hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, kundi all around the world. I can see it kanina, ang dami-daming foreign 18 na lumipad today just to witness. Yeah, I have at my back a foreigner 18 na may flight din today. So I was so overwhelmed na damang-dama pa yung love ng community. And it's not just here in the Philippines, it's all over the world.
Sobrang solid, kahit medyo nakakabite, pero good.
Thank you for reaching 7 years and I hope like you reach many more milestones and congratulations on all the awards from the Filipino Music Awards. So yeah, love you guys.
Anniversary SB19, you've come so far, pero we believe na malayo pa yung marating nyo, marami pa kayong mapakita, endless creativity para sa inyo, and super happy kami and proud na kasama namin kayo sa journey na to. And
more years, more hearts to touch, more minds na makausap nyo kahit hindi man personal, pero through your songs, through your vlogs and everything na ginagawa nyo. So,
Kaya nga po lang sabi ni Pablo, 7 taon na po sila, pero 7